Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, take your seat. Take your seat. Sit down. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's talk. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You know, sometimes I don't know, after so much of talks about the edification and this, that, it's, it's a little embarrassing actually. You know, because believe me, whatever happened or whatever Arpit was talking about, I'm not the only one responsible for, for the roadmap which you are following. There are so many other people involved, your uplines, and a lot of other people. It was not the only one person's effort. When like-minded people come together, magic happens actually, right? And we are actually incomplete without each other. So it's not just one person. So we complete each other. So all the V ambassadors, all the inner circle, everyone. Okay. And every person is so important in that circle. It's like a खाने में से नमक निकाल दो तो no matter what you put, right? So even every person is important, right? So same way, and obviously, without you guys, we all are nothing actually, right? Okay? So, so this is a family which gets complete with everybody's individual effort, and of course, we started for ourselves, but eventually, this is our calling. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to talk today. I don't even remember. Shipra sent me a mail long back, okay, about what she wanted me to cover. I don't remember anything. And I don't think before coming. That's why exactly, even the AV was asking any video, I said, I don't know. I don't know. Because I think, like Brijesh was telling, when we are talking, most of the time we are talking to ourselves. You know that? Do you know that all the speakers, when they were coming, more than you, they talk to themselves. You know? So when they are talking about, like Brijesh was talking about work ethic, okay? So he was talking to himself. Everybody is talking to himself. And from that, if you want something to take away from you, you can get it, right? You know? So we talk to ourselves, not to any individual, but we see ourselves in each one of you actually, right? That's why exactly we can relate, right? Because long back, we were sitting there like you. You know? So and these days people wonder and, mesmerize and this and that. Believe me, I'm telling you, everybody sitting out there not only can come here, and this stage is not the ultimate destination. Remember one thing, right? This is not the ultimate destination, right? Are you getting me? And if you are working to come on the stage, I'm telling you, you will never come on the stage. Or if you come, you will go back only one time or two times, right? So this is not, people get influenced, mesmerized by the lifestyle, by the edification, by this and that. But believe me, remember always one thing for what you started for. And always keep the eye on that thing for which you started for. And if you keep the eye on that thing for which you started for, all these things will come as a bonus actually, right? All these things. You know. So, I don't remember my subject, but still. I was talking to Onil outside, and I was telling that, nowadays, even when we talk from a stage with 10,000, 12,000 people also, I feel like I'm talking to somebody over a chai. Because we talk the same thing over a chai also, right? True. The only problem is that you cannot come for a chai with us, 10,000 people, right? Because there's no coffee shop which can accommodate 10,000 people. So this is a big coffee shop for us, right? Correct? And the business, I learned my business over the association only, right? Sitting across the table, doing time pass, bakar, and from there, all the learning actually, right? So even from a stage, we do bakar only, right? And from that, if you want to learn something, learn. Otherwise, it's entertainment, right? True? Correct? Okay? So how many people don't know my detailed story? Detail. Of course, maybe a little bit but detailed story, right? What exactly happened, and how I started, and then what happened after that. Okay? So better I should share that and you will get something from there, right? Okay? And, one day I prayed from a God, please give me a lot of money and good life. And God sent this business to me. I signed up and started maxing out, and we got this life. This is my story. Obviously not, right? Obviously not. So I'll tell you where I'm coming from. I'm born and brought up in a small place called Jabalpur in MP. Okay? And later I realized that, many people from small, how many small town people? Okay, believe me, not just from Jabalpur, I'm talking about any small town, right? Okay? Only people, I'm not telling about the people from big town, but the chances of becoming big from people who belongs to small town is higher actually, right? You know why? And I noticed this, And later I realized that how many people came out of Jabalpur, you know that? Osho Rajneesh is from Jabalpur actually, right? Then, I don't know. There's so many, but anyway, we're not going to talk about that, right? But I was born and brought up there. My father was into Ministry of Defense, which is like a part of army, and we were living in government quarters. And when I was growing up, me, my sister, my father, my mother, only small family of 4, right? Okay, and we were living in a government-provided accommodation. Okay, government accommodation, right? And every house used to be the same when I was growing up, because all quarters are same always, right? Government quarters, right? So same kind of a house, same paint, same kind of furniture, everything same. We used to go to same school, okay? I went to KV. Okay, how many people are from KV? Okay, and the government school. And in KV, other than study, everything happens actually, right? Okay, I don't know, nowadays people from KV are smarter, but we were actually the biggest, I'll tell you the secret. We were confused whether we are in English medium or Hindi medium actually, right? How many people from KV feels like that, right? We don't know whether we are from English or Hindi, right? So actually, कहने को तो English medium है, but बात तो सारे हिंदी में करते हैं वहाँ पे. Nowadays, I don't know, at least my time, So, anyway, I was from KV, same school. Every neighborhood kid used to go to the same school because government, military, right, army. So everyone going to the same school. And same school, same house, similar lifestyle. There was no style, similar life actually, right? Okay. And parents used to father used to go to the office, same time, come back at the same time. I saw him go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home for so many years, 25 years plus. And I was a very happy-go-lucky child. Why? Because I was not even knowing what am I going to do with my life. Small town, because everyone is same, I don't know what I'm missing in life. Because you have to have someone to look up to. But there's no one to look up to. Everyone is same there, right? So what to do? Mauj karo. Correct? So whole day school, after coming back from school, leave bag, take some food, then change your shoes, go to play cricket, right? Come back home in the night, show as if you're studying something, then watch TV, and then sleep. That was life. Correct? And one dialogue, if that can give me $1 every time that my mother speaks that dialogue to me, I would be millionaire by the age of 20 only, right? You know what was that dialogue? My mom used to tell me, are you staying in the hotel or a house? Because you come only to eat and sleep. How many people like that? You know? I'm talking about school days, right? And I was not knowing what am I going to do. I was not ambitious at all. Ambitious means पता ही नहीं था करना क्या है. कोई तो होना चाहिए ना जिसको देख के हम को ऐसा लगे कि okay, we want to become like that, right? But there was no one. There was no one at all. So what to do? So what exactly I started doing? Happy-go-lucky child. And I was like this till my graduation. And I did my graduation in science, which is mathematics. And I only know one subject, which is mathematics. I'm a son of a baniya who landed into a forge. Okay? So I only understand numbers, right? And I took maths not because I wanted to become engineer or something, because it was easy for me. I don't have to study maths. Okay? So, graduation time, happy-go-lucky, I don't know what I'm going to do. The only reason why I took maths is because it was easy for me, right? And when I was doing that, till final year, I don't know what next. What next? And I still remember when I was in final year graduation, you know, the juniors come with a slam book to fill, you're leaving the college now, right? Especially immediate juniors, हमेशा 36 का आंकड़ा होता है उनके साथ में, right? But 2 साल junior, right? First year, third year. Especially the girls come and ask for the slam book and all that. Your ambition, this, that, right? And I always used to write, what is your ambition? Businessman. क्यों? Businessman लिख दो, अगर कुछ और लिख दिया तो आगे पढ़ाई तो करनी पड़ेगी, दिखना तो चाहिए कि कुछ ऐसा कुछ करने जा रहे हैं. So I used to write businessman, not because of anything else, because पता ही नहीं था करना क्या है. I was not knowing what am I supposed to do till graduation. By last few months of my graduation, suddenly I realized my father is going to retire in next 5 years, because every day in the dinner table, father talking to mother, retire हो रहे हैं, ये कुछ कर लेगा तो अच्छा है, तब तक कुछ कर लेगा तो. So it was like a, and I'm the only son. So 5 years retirement, so I have to do something, right? Not only for myself, but to take care of my parents. So कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, but क्या करना है? पता नहीं. So I started talking to I started looking at my other classmates, right? Okay? Other classmates. Some people are planning to take up a small job in the same town. Some people are planning to do a master degree. Some people are planning to do MBA. Okay? And those days, MBAs used to be a fancy thing, right? Sounds good. Correct or not? Now you throw a stone, MBA fall first, stone come later actually, right? Correct? So those days, MBA used to be a fancy thing. It looks good, to tell. It sounds good, right? So I said, चलो MBA कर लेते हैं. So MBA करना है. So, and I'll tell you, for that you have to appear for a competitive exam. Those days, not too many colleges were there, right? So you have to appear for competitive exam to get admission in MBA, not like now give money and so many colleges, right? Now for that I have to study. And I had no problem in studying mathematics, because mathematics is the main subject, right? And then I studied, and actually I got cleared. You know why? The reason was that I had a girlfriend that time. Okay? Now listen to me carefully, right? And to prove myself that I'm good for something at least, right? मैंने बोला बॉस शक्ल तो दिखानी है. True? maybe even if she's not doing anything, at least I have to show that, I'm better, right? And पता नहीं वो फितूर चढ़ गया कि ये निकालना है. And I cleared that exam and I got admission. Correct? And in between, a lot of things happened. I don't want to talk about all that. Okay? So, I got admission in college, in MBA. When I went to do MBA, Maharashtra, okay? And started staying in the hostel. And in the hostel, no ambition. The only aim is I should get a job before I finish my college. Why? Because I don't want to ask money from my parents, right? You know, that's the first thing, right? So fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. I got 3 jobs from campus itself. Okay? One was with pharmaceutical company, one was with watch company, and one was with FMCG company. And those days, there was no private banking, there was no private telecom or anything actually, no insurance, nothing. Everything was government driven. And FMCG used to be a dream job, you know. And my first offer was from Unilever, you know. So I said, okay, Unilever is one of the best company when it comes to FMCG. I will join. I don't know what am I supposed to do. झाड़ू लगानी है वहाँ पे या पोछा लगाना कुछ नहीं पता है. But नौकरी दे रहे हैं, okay, as a trainee, okay. I said, okay, let me join. And I still remember, you know what was my salary, first salary? 6,025 rupees. 6025. I still have a salary slip, my first salary slip, right? Okay? Those days salary slip aati thi post se. Okay? So, 6,025 as a salary. But they posted me on day 1 in Bombay. Now I am reaching Mumbai for the first time. I don't know B of Bombay, right? And I'm coming from a small town, correct? So Bombay is like an ocean, and I don't know how to swim in the pond also, right? So when I reached there, I saw people not walking. They run all the time. And they run not to reach anywhere. To be at the same place, they have to keep running actually, right? And I was not knowing anything. How to enter in the train, how to get down from a train, nothing actually. But I reached there. 3 of us, 3 guys were posted in Bombay from that batch. Okay? 2 of them left in 2 weeks. 2 of them left in 2 weeks. Because one guy was the youngest in the family. His 2 elder brothers were already earning. So the wife was not strong. Another guy was a son of a businessman. So he said, no, Baba, ye nahi hoga humse. I had no choice but to continue. You know? Because my father is going to retire in next 3 years. Now what to do? So I learned how to enter in the train, how to get down from a train. Now you must be wondering, you know, what's the big deal in it? You know, you guys enter in the train and get down or not? You know, whether it is Delhi or, you know, metro or wherever, right? True? You know, but Bombay is different beasts, right? Bombay is a different, you know, if you can learn to enter in the train and get down from a train, okay, you max out already. You know? So it was not. And I learned from that city how to follow SOP, Standard Operating Procedures. Because the consequences of not following SOP is not missing the train. The consequences of not following SOP is not delay in max out. The consequences of not following the system is I will not be inside the train, I will be under the train actually, right? Because it's risky, right? You know? And I learned how to follow the system in Bombay. Because Bombay works on a system actually, right? You have to reach exactly, if I have to catch 8:33 train, I need to leave at this time. You know? I still remember I used to take 8:33 train. And I used to live, actually I call Bombay, but initially I used to live in suburbs of Bombay, the place called Bhayandar. Okay? And why? Paisa kam dena padta hai. Out of 6,025, 3,000 my rent in Bhayandar, right? Okay? So, what to do? I used to, and taking a train from there is like every day maxing out, right? Okay? But I had no choice. That's why the other two guys left in 2 weeks, right? You know what is the SOP? How many people never ever traveled in Bombay local in a peak hours? Never ever. Never ever. Oh my God. Actually, Shipra, we should do a LDC. 5 days. Only one process. Go in peak hours from Bombay, local actually, right? That's a LDC. And the SOP was very simple. What was the SOP? First, you have to reach at least 5 minutes before the train comes. Then stand at the place where your compartment is going to come. It's fixed. If you are new, you cannot recognize. Okay? If you are you cannot recognize. You will go in the wrong compartment, right? It happened with me first time. बहुत अंदर से आवाजें आई, तो मेरे को उतरना पड़ा because that was a ladies compartment, right? Okay? So first you have to, पट्टे लगे होते हैं. So that is to recognize which is the male, first class, male, second class, female and all that, right? Okay? Handicapped and all that. And then you stand and you cannot carry, you carry a bag, working bag, right? Okay? So you're carrying a bag and looking at the train like this, coming from there or not, coming from there or not, right? Okay? And the moment you see the light, दिन में भी लाइट जलती है ट्रेन की, चिंता मत करना. Okay? When you see the train coming from there, you go 1, 2, 3 steps behind, right? Okay? Then your bag, SOP number 1 was that 3 steps back. Then your bag will come in front. Why bag will come in front? Because if you keep the bag behind, you will enter maybe, but your bag will remain outside actually, right? And if you are stylish, you want to carry a briefcase, no problem. You will go inside with the handle only actually, right? Okay. So, carry the bag in front. Okay. Now, the backpack, some people put the backpack, right? IT वाले लोग जो backpack डालते हैं, right? उनका backpack back नहीं होता, front pack होता उनका actually, right? वो सामने लटका के रखते हैं. You know why? Because it goes along with you. आप पीछे गए, bag in front, right? And then on your marks, get set. And suppose your compartment is stopping there, you have to stand here actually, right? Because आपका agenda है ट्रेन रुकने के पहले आपको अंदर होना है. ट्रेन रुकने के पहले, right? 1, 2 and zoop like a bullet, right? एक हाथ से पोल पकड़ो, दूसरे हाथ से पैर ऊपर, correct? And then go inside. You cannot just stand there, right? Because पीछे से दूसरी बुलेट आ रही है. Correct? No, this is not over. After that, अंदर जाते ही साथ, you have to bring the bag up. ऊपर. सीधा ऊपर. क्यों बैग ऊपर? रिदम शुरू होगा वहां से. अपने आप बैग कोई ले लेगा और ऊपर रख देगा. All that rhythm, SOP, सब वहीं से सीखा मैंने. Okay, listen. Now bag ऊपर गया, क्यों? Why you have to keep the bag up? Why not here? Because that bag will take a place of one person. And people who are hanging outside, actually, they will push you so hard, मारेंगे अगर बैग ऊपर नहीं रखा तो. क्योंकि एक बंदा अंदर आ जाएगा उसकी वजह से. Correct? And why you have to enter before the train stops? There's a logic behind it. Because when the train stops, there's no place to enter actually, right? By that time, everyone will fill the train, right? Okay? And then after that, you find out a place in the corner and stand on the wall, kiss the wall and stand like this. Your back should be, your face should be kissing the wall. And then sleep like this. So I'll tell you the secret. You guys don't know, but all the ISBs and Shipra and all the V ambassadors know. I am famous that I can sleep standing also, right? I can sleep while walking also actually, right? That's courtesy Bombay train. So आपको छिपकली के समान ऐसे चिपक जाओ दीवार से और सो जाओ. That used to be the, okay? Now why not like this? Why not back? Why like this? Because अगर आपका बैक पीछे नहीं है, okay, आप ऐसे खड़े होकर 100% somebody will enter from there, okay, उसका बेल्ट आपके बेल्ट से टकराएगा, दोनों के पैंट नीचे आ जाएंगे. Seriously, I'm telling you, it happened. Bombay people, is it true or not? Correct. And then पूरा दिन मतलब 2 घंटा छपकली बनी रहो, lizard, right? चिपके रहो दीवार से, right? And sleep there, you know. And sometimes there's a jali also, right? Not the wall, there's a jali. And some people are sitting there playing cards. The game थोड़ा entertainment रहता है, देखते रहो वहाँ पे ऐसे, right? Correct? And then this is not over, by the way. And you are lucky if you get the position like a chipkali, right? You're lucky. Sometimes you don't get. तो अंदर जाओ और बीच में कहीं ऐसा पकड़ के खड़े हो जाओ. Correct? And when you're standing in between, you get free aroma therapy and massage. Why? Why? Because train तो हिल रही है. People are touching you from all the directions. Not touching you, they're coming inside you actually, right? That's the reason there are ladies and gents compartments separate actually, right? And if I am telling you, if you are dating somebody, okay, and you want to go for a date, और ट्रेन में जाना आपको, correct? You will not dare to take your girlfriend in the gents compartment. वो डेट वहां खत्म हो जाती है, फिर उतरने के बाद वापस शुरू होती है. तुम अपने कंपार्टमेंट में, मैं अपने कंपार्टमेंट, राइट? Otherwise, what will happen? You know, it will be a date for all the guys in that compartment, right? Okay. So basically, you are there, and then what happened? अगर बीच में हो आप, मसाज थेरेपी वगैरह सब ले रहे हो, correct? Why massage? Because everyone is touching and shaking, right? Why aroma therapy? सबके हाथ ऊपर हैं. So all, and you know what is the difference between first class and second class? Same, everything same. Just fragrances अलग अलग होते हैं. Nothing else. You know, aroma therapy क्या? Fragrances अलग अलग होते हैं. You know, normal compartment में कभी-कभी मच्छी की smell भी आती है. Correct? Bombay guys, true or not? I'm not exaggerating, I'm telling you, this is how exactly life in Bombay is. At least my life was like that, right? Okay? And people who are not born and brought up there, I'm talking about. जो लोग पैदा हुए ना, वो पैदा ही हो गए उस जिंदगी में मर जाने के लिए actually, right? Because they used to, right? Okay? And then, what happened? अच्छा, back भी बड़ी strong हो जाती है हमारी. You know why? Because when you're standing in the middle, you cannot stand like this. Attention. सबने बोला आप अच्छे से खड़े हो जाओ. No. So either you stand like this, or you stand like this, or you stand like this. You know why? Because size of the every person around you is different, right? So if a guy behind me having a big stomach, then I have to stand like this. Because there is no space for the legs. But body तो आगे जाएगी ना, उसका पेट धक्का मारेगा. Correct? If the guy in front of me have a big bum, then I'm like this. You know? And boss, I'm telling you, you guys are laughing. एक दिन करके देखो. एक दिन करके देखो. समझ में आएगा, right? Okay? And funny incidents happen. And then you sleep like this, like a ghoda, khade. Correct? That's why I can sleep standing, sitting, any position actually, right? Okay? And I used to cover up when they used to tell, you क्या यार आप कहीं पे भी कैसे भी सो जाते हो? You know, I slept one time while having a coffee session on the stage. And I cover up by telling, you know what? I tell them, I'm lucky. लोगों को नींद हराम होती है, मेरे को कहीं पे भी नींद आ जाती है, right? मतलब cover up. But Bombay, courtesy, right? Okay? नाउ फनी चीजें होती थी. दैट टाइम कंपनी गेव अ पेजर. पेजर जेब में होता था. तो आप ऐसे खड़े हो, ये वाला हाथ तो हिला भी नहीं सकते हो आप, एक हाथ छोड़ नहीं सकते हो. सडनली सुबह सुबह बॉस का पेजर आएगा 9 बजे, वाइब्रेटिंग, राइट. सामने बंदा खड़ा है, बोला भाई क्या हो गया. फिर उसको बोलना पड़ता है डोंट वरी पेजर है और कुछ नहीं, राइट. So this was life every day. Okay. Now this is not over. It's not about getting into the train. You have to get down also, right? You have to get down also. So I used to take a train from Bhayandar and used to get down sometime at Andheri, sometime at Bandra, right? Now getting down at Andheri, oh my God. Okay. Was, समझो आपने बुलेट छोड़ी अंदर जाने के लिए, वो वापस बुलेट गन के अंदर आनी चाहिए, राइट? इज इट पॉसिबल? तो आपको पहले से ही एक स्टेशन पहले से आपको टैप गेम खेलना पड़ता है. यू नो व्हाट इज टैप गेम? यू टैप द पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मुंह मत खोलना, मुंह नहीं खोलना है, बिकॉज यू आर लाइक दिस. ओके, यू टैप एंड देन से, मतलब are you getting down? The person say no. Then say okay. That means you come behind, I have to go in front, I have to get down. But how? पार्क तो है नहीं कि ऐसे घूम फिर के आगे करके, right? Then how to go in front? कुछ नहीं. Then we do Eid Mubarak and turn and then अरे and then next guy, and then next guy, and then next guy, till the time the guy says, I am also getting down, which means you know that everybody is going to get down after this, right? Okay? अगर गलती से उसने बोला कि मैं उतर रहा हूं, मगर उतरना नहीं है उसको, don't worry, you will take him down. And people behind you will take him down, right? Okay? And then before station come, फिर आपका बैग वापस रिदम आता है. बट आप बैग नीचे नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि जगह ही नहीं है. तो बैग ऐसे मटका जैसे पकड़ते हैं ना सर पे, ऐसा बैग लेके ऑन योर मार्क्स पे रहने का. एंड योर एजेंडा इज टू गेट डाउन फ्रॉम अ ट्रेन बिफोर इट स्टॉप्स. एंड यू हैव टू गेट डाउन इन द राइट वे. ट्रेन के साथ में ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में कूदोगे तो गिर जाओगे. फिजिक्स पढ़िए ना, इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, राइट? करेक्ट. सो इफ ट्रेन इज रनिंग लाइक दिस, यू हैव टू get down like this only, not like this direction, right? Otherwise you will fall. और मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूं, ये सब हो चुका है मेरे साथ में. I fell down while entering also, I fell down while getting down also. और पता क्या होता है जब गिरता है ना आदमी नीचे, ओके, कपड़े खराब हो गए, ओके, एंड सम पीपल गेट अप, बट उसके बाद ये आपके पास टाइम भी नहीं होता है देखने का किधर चोट लगी, बिकॉज आपको ट्रेन में घुसना होता है, राइट? ट्रू. उतरते समय जब चोट लगती है, अगर गिर गए आप, कपड़े का टाइम नहीं होता है क्योंकि ऑफिस पहुंचना होता है, राइट? सो देयर इज नो ऑप्शन ऑफ क्विटिंग ओवर देयर, राइट? बिकॉज दिस इज डेली अफेयर. सो बाय डूइंग दिस आई लर्नड नॉट टू क्विट एक्चुअली, राइट? नॉट टू क्विट. यू नो, so how to follow SOP? If I don't follow SOP, I will die under the train, right? How not to quit? बॉस ये तो जिंदगी है, अभी क्विट नहीं कर सकते. So we have to go become expert. जो काम नहीं आता है उसको और अच्छी तरह करके एक्सपर्ट बनते हैं. Quitting was not an option, right? Correct? And then, अच्छा, I still wonder. You have to get down from a train before it stops. You have to enter in the train before it stops. I don't know why they stopped the train. True or not? I till date I don't know why they stopped the train. You know why you have to get out of the train before it stops? Because बाकी लोग जो अंदर आ रहे हैं वो आपको अंदर वापस लेके चले जाएंगे. वो मेट्रो जैसा नहीं, इधर से उतरे उधर से अंदर आए and all that, right? वो एक ही साइड से सब चढ़ते हैं उतरते हैं, right? You getting me? Correct? How many people never saw this? नजारा भी नहीं देखा किसी ने नजारा भी नहीं देखा ये वाला. एवी Can you just check on a YouTube? There are a lot of nazaras in the YouTube actually, right? Bombay train. Kis tarah hota, right? Okay, and just give me the heads up. We'll show it to them, right? Now, why I'm sharing all this? Because in life, whatever we did, there's a learning from that, right? So I learned how to follow the SOP. I learned how not to quit. Because when I learned to do this in a better way, I become expert. Correct? And I did this for 10 years in Bombay. Correct? And Bombay fulfilled lot of dreams and gave a lot of confidence, because from trainee, I become vice president of the company in 8 years time actually, right? Okay. Agar quit kiya hota to wo bhi nahi milta, right? Okay. But after spending 9 years in corporate, right? When I was a vice president, okay, life थोड़ी change हुई. क्या हुआ? Train की जगह car आ गई. But उसमें भी traffic. Every day 2-3 hours, right? Okay. अब पहले पीटर इंग्लैंड पहनते थे, बाद में लुई फिलिप और वैन ह्यूसेन होने लगा, राइट? और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आया. पहले किराए का घर था, बाद में खुद का घर हो गया, बट उसकी EMI जाती थी, राइट? पहले बाहर खाना खाते थे, बाद में मॉम एंड डैड शिफ्ट हो गए साथ में, तो घर पे खाना मिलता था, और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं था. लाइफ वाज सेम. व्हाट वाज माय रूटीन? गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, टेक अ शावर व्हाइल स्लीपिंग मोड ओनली, go to work all day, come back home, eat and sleep. That was a routine actually, right? Correct? So after 9 years, I used to travel a lot for my job. Or that time, flight में Wi-Fi नहीं होता था, mail नहीं होता था, right? On that time, BlackBerry भी start नहीं हुआ था actually, right? तो घंटी नहीं थी गले में. And then, I used to get a lot of time to think and introspect. कि यार 9 साल हो गए, टाइम ही नहीं मिला देखने का कि क्या खोया और क्या पाया, right? Let's have a balance sheet. And I saw what I got from a job was, I got designation, promotion, bonus, salary hike, responsibility, travel, sleepless nights, bad health, office politics. These things I received, right? But what I lost was no time for self. खुद के लिए कोई टाइम ही नहीं था. कोई टाइम नहीं था खुद के लिए, right? No hobbies left, no passion left, you know, because time ही नहीं है उस सब चीज के लिए. No time for the family actually, right? Okay. Not a good health, not a peace of mind. So I said, okay, 4-5 चीजें गई हैं हाथ से, but 10 चीजें आई भी तो हैं. True? That is life. Still I am better than a lot of other people, right? But one thing was a eye-opener for me. That gave me a wake-up call. That was a bank balance. When I saw the bank balance when I was a trainee also after a month, used to be small peda after a month. पेड़ा बसता था महीने के बाद में, राइट? करेक्ट? जब मैं वाइस प्रेसिडेंट था तभी भी पेड़ा ही बसता था. सैलरी ज्यादा थी, बड़ा पेड़ा था. पहले छोटा पेड़ा था, बाद में बड़ा पेड़ा था, बट पेड़ा था. करेक्ट? Which means if I stop getting paid, how many days I will eat this peda? बचा हुआ, you know? And I realized that, in fact, as a trainee, I was more secure because I had no liabilities. But as a vice president, my liabilities increased, right? Home loan, car loan, more family members, everything, right? True? So I said, ये क्या गड़बड़ है? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है इसमें, right? गड़बड़ क्या है? कि I am growing very fast, and I was very fast in my job. Okay? My all other classmates in the college and all, some were like me, but not many. I was fast. I never stayed in one role in my job for more than 18 months. Every 18 months I used to get promotion in my life. Alright? And then I said, fast जा रहे हैं, फिर भी ये हाल है. Is it possible for me to keep growing like this for 20 more years? Answer was no. Even if I grow like this, what will happen? I will become a CEO of the company, right? But what will I do as a CEO? Go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home. Correct? That will I do. Okay? So, CEO of the company. And one day I will retire as a CEO. Correct? And when I retire, my next generation will start from where? From where? From zero again or CEO onwards? Zero again, right? So my father did the same thing. I am doing the same thing. My next generation will do the same thing. Why? I don't want to do this. I said, 20 more years I can see what is going to happen. From that day onwards, I stopped enjoying my work. Before that, I was very passionate about my work. Over committed to my job, right? I said, boss, कर क्या रहा हूं मैं? सर्कल में दौड़ रहे हैं, बहुत तेज दौड़ रहे हैं, नंबर 1 भी आ रहे हैं, मगर सर्कल में जब तक दौड़ते रहेंगे वापस वहीं पे आ जाएंगे घूम फिर के, राइट? करेक्ट? So I was running in a circle and not reaching anywhere. I said, I need to break this circle and come out. What I need to do something else, but what to do, don't know. Correct? So in my job also to my team, I used to tell, मेरे को ना 35 साल में रिटायर होना है. You know, I used to tell them. But कैसे होना नहीं पता मुझे. You know, I used to tell my boss also, मेरे को 35 साल में रिटायर होना, खुद का कुछ करेंगे. But क्या करेंगे नहीं पता, right? True. So my colleague, senior colleague, he was my reporting manager, okay? He was knowing that I'm looking out for something. He left his job, okay? And he started a HR consultancy. And one day he called me. He called me and then he said, सुन, तेरे को कुछ करना था ना? बोला हाँ, ढूंढा है क्या? बोला कुछ नहीं ढूंढा, मिला ही नहीं अभी तक. बोला देख, अभी नहीं करेगा तो कभी नहीं कर पाएगा. I was 30 that time, right? अभी नहीं करेगा तो कभी नहीं कर पाएगा. So बोला हाँ, बात तो सही है. So he said, come, I want to share something with you, right? So he called me. I went to meet him, okay? And then he said, मेरे brother-in-law ने थाईलैंड से फोन किया था, and then he's a nice guy, and he shared something with me. So मैंने बताओ क्या है? So he said, he spoke to me about QVI, holidays बताया. बोला अच्छा है. बोला इससे पैसा बनेगा, बेचेंगे इसको. हमको तो बेचते ही आता था और कुछ नहीं आता था उस समय, राइट? तो मैंने बोला ओके ठीक है, कितना पैसा बनेगा? तो he said बहुत सारा. बोला कितना? बोला बहुत सारा. और उसको भी प्लान नहीं पता था. फोन पे क्या प्लान समझ में आएगा, राइट? बहुत सारा. I said ओके. फिर मैंने पूछा कि कंपनी का नाम क्या है? वो बाद में बताऊंगा. पता नहीं क्या हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है. निकल गए वहां से, निकल गए. And then I had to go to IIM Indore for some leadership training or something like that, right? Okay. And I was there for 15 days. And then that time he met Kavita. And he explained the plan. She said, 11,500 नहीं करना, भाग जा तू यहाँ से, right? And then he was rejected. Then I came back from that training. Then he met me again. I plan नहीं समझा, कुछ नहीं समझा. But I made up my mind, I'm doing this. Plan भी नहीं दिखाया उसने मुझे. वो figure होता ना last में, max out, वो सब कुछ नहीं. No structure, nothing. But I decided that I'm doing this. Why? Two things I thought. Do I have any other thing to do? No. Which can be started in such small amount? No. Do I really want to change my life? Answer was yes. मतलब ये दो है ना. तीसरा सवाल, अगर नहीं किया ढंग से तो खोने के लिए क्या है? मतलब कुछ नहीं है. So I started. I signed up. I had no money for signing up. And I took a resolution few years back that I will not use a credit card. I know many of you are like that also, right? Okay? मैंने सारे कार्ड काट के फेंक दिए थे, सारे पुराने पाप. But I was working for a bank, okay, that time. And that bank launched their own credit card. And without asking me, because I was a senior staff, they sent me a credit card, right? It was a God's plan. Now I had two choices. Either stick to my principle of not using a credit card or use this card. Maybe kuch to ho jayega. I said, okay, let's use it, right? I used that card and signed up. Then Hong Kong से एक अपलाइन का फोन आया, ओके, कि ट्रेनिंग होती है संडे पूना में, ओके, ट्रेनिंग होती है, ट्रेनिंग में जाना है. एंड आई वाज सो सिंसियर, ओके. सेकंड कॉल की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी आज तक उसको ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करवाने के लिए मुझसे, ओके. देन ही सेड ट्रेनिंग होती है, सुबह 9 बजे जाना है, फ्राइडे को सुबह 9 बजे जाना है, संडे को, राइट? ओके. सो अभी आई एम नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन, I sleep at 4, 5 a.m. Okay? But please don't ask me to get up. Even when I was working also, my boss gave up on me. I never used to reach office before 11 o'clock. Never. I used to do my numbers. मेरा सुनना नंबर चाहिए है, मेरे को टाइम पे आना है, बता दे, डिसाइड कर ले, करे, और तो बोले ठीक है तू नंबर्स कर अपने, राइट? ओके? सो बट फॉर सिस्टम nobody had to push me. I used to get up, proper formals पहन के पहुंच गए वहां पे टाइम पे एकदम. Never, because I was excited to do something for myself. I was looking out for something, right? Correct? सिस्टम में गए पहले दिन, ट्रेनिंग तो कुछ हुई नहीं, बायोडिस डेमो हो गया उस दिन. बायोडिस डेमो हुआ एंड आई वाज एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि 4 पतली पतली लड़कियों ने मेरे को उंगली पे उठाया. सो आई वाज एक्साइटेड. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग दिस डेमो, ओके, 15 मिनट का गैप था, उसके बाद में बोर्ड पे प्लान दिखाते थे. ओके? मैंने अब तक प्लान नहीं दिखा है, तो मैंने और मेरे रेफरर ने बोला चल चाय पीते नीचे जाके, 15 मिनट का गैप है. वो चाय में हम इतने मगन हो गए कि 5 मिनट लेट पहुंचे. जैसे कॉर्पोरेट में होता है ना, चल चल जाते हैं ना, अभी जाएंगे, बट डोर क्लोज हो गया. इतना स्ट्रिक्ट था, डोर क्लोज, नो एंट्री. नो आई कैन नॉट सी द प्लान ऑल्सो. तो 1 हफ्ता निकल गया, प्लान भी नहीं दिखा. फिर आके वापस एक और चाय पी. 1 घंटे बाद एक बंदे का फोन आता है मेरे को, बोला बॉस कहाँ हो? मैंने बोला यहीं हूँ. उसको 1 दिन पहले मैंने बुलाया था कि आजा कुछ तो शुरू किया है करके, ऐसे ही बुला लिया था. मुझे नहीं पता था वो आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. तो बोला हाँ हाँ मैं भी हूँ यहीं पे, बाहर मिल रहा हूँ आपसे, राइट? वो बंदा अंदर प्लान देखने बैठ गया था जिसको मैंने बुलाया था. बाहर आया वो, मेरे से बोलता है सॉलिड प्लान है. मैं बोला हाँ बहुत सॉलिड, हाँ बहुत सॉलिड है, राइट? एंड यू नो व्हाट, वो बंदा आज तक साइन अप नहीं किया है. उसको सब समझ में आ गया था सॉलिड है, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझा था, राइट? क्योंकि मैंने देखा ही नहीं था, राइट? आर यू गेटिंग मी? उसने आज तक साइन अप नहीं किया, करेक्ट? देन आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग बैक होम, आई कॉल्ड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड. आई टोल्ड हर, अरे सुन क्या गजब प्रोडक्ट था, 4 लड़कियों ने मेरे को उंगली पे उठा लिया, ये है वो है. बोले सुन ना, तू जो भी कर रहा ना मेरे को भी साथ में ले ले. मैं नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं, तुमको आना पड़ेगा और समझना पड़ेगा, राइट? शी वाज इन बॉम्बे, ओके. शी नहीं अभी तो नहीं आ सकती मैं 2 हफ्ते तक. मैंने नहीं आना पड़ेगा. बोली क्रेडिट कार्ड ले ले मेरे से. मैंने नहीं 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 ऐसा नहीं चलता, तुमको आना पड़ेगा, राइट? बिकॉज नोबडी वाज देयर टू टीच अस, राइट? करेक्ट? और एक और बंदे को फोन किया, उसने बोला बॉस बताओ ना, मेरे को भी कुछ बताओ ना. I was not knowing how to talk. What it was sheer excitement actually, right? I was not bothered whether I'm going to lose them or what, right? पहले दिन में कॉल किया. You know who was that girl? AVP Sharfun. Okay? And then anyway, so इस तरह शुरू हुआ. फिर my referrer also left the business. Okay? अभी मिलता है तो बोलता है साला तेरे को क्या दिख गया था जो मुझे नहीं दिखा? यू नो, अभी भी मिलता है तो बोलता है मैं सोचता था तू इतना एक्साइटेड क्यों है, बट मैंने ही तेरे को बिजनेस में लाया था इसलिए मैं कुछ पूछता नहीं था तेरे से, राइट? सो बिकॉज माई पर्पस वॉज वेरी 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 क्लियर कि मेरे को फटाफट काम करके रिटायर होना है. ओके? काम से रिटायर नहीं होना है, कंपल्सिव काम से रिटायर होना है, करेक्ट? बट देन आफ्टर दैट माय रेफरर लेफ्ट एंड अगले हफ्ते मैंने प्लान देखा तो 3.67 crores मैक्स आउट. और इससे बहुत सॉलिड पैसा है ये तो, राइट? और मुझे लगा ये तो बड़ा आसान है, ये तो कर लेंगे. How many people felt like this after looking at plan? And I'm not a skeptic person. फालतू सवाल नहीं पूछता मैं. अगर वो 2 मेरे नहीं आए तो क्या हुआ? मेरे को कोई पूछता ना ऐसा, मेरे 2 नहीं आए, वो 2 नहीं मिले तो क्या हुआ? मतलब आत्महत्या कर लेना फिर तू जाके, राइट? I don't, because you know, because if I never had such questions, because I'm not a skeptic person, I always look at possibilities of what can happen rather than what cannot happen, right? तो इसके लिए कोई stupid सवाल पूछता मेरे को तो मैं यही जवाब देता हूं, बोले मेरे को 2 नहीं मिले तो क्या करूं, मर जा जाके। फिर मैंने बोला क्या करें, तेरी जिंदगी झंड है फिर तो, राइट? हाँ, है? कोई बोलता है मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, कोई बोलता है मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ऐसे फालतू सवाल के जवाब नहीं देता मैं। कोई बोलता टाइम नहीं है तो जो जाओ वापस जाओ, जी ले जैसे जी रहा है वैसे ही, राइट? करे। कोई बोलता मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, तो बोलता तेरा अचीवमेंट है ये प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? बिकॉज दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर नॉट देयर इन माय हेड। उसने प्लान दिखाया, टू दिस करके, आई सेड सॉलिड है, ये तो बड़ा आसान है, सेट है लाइफ। फिर लेजी मैन गाइड देखी, 99.9% पीपल फेल ऑल्सो, फिर भी 4 साल में कहां पहुंचेंगे? आई सेड ओके। फिर मैंने अपनी लेजी मैन गाइड बनाई, उसको उसकी भी 72, मतलब तो भी 10 लाख रुपए महीने का आता है। आई सेड गुड, आफ्टर 1 ईयर। आई सेड ओके। वो एक एक्सेल शीट बनाई थी मैंने, अपना दिमाग लगा के, वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, राइट? एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग। आई गॉट 6 people who signed up with me in first 6 weeks. Okay, they all were like very close to me. हॉट जोन पता नहीं था कैसे करना है, सबको प्लान दिखा के साइन अप किया था दैट टाइम। ओके, कविता, शरफुन, देयर आर 6 people were there, right? ओके, एंड दे वर माय फॉलोअर्स एवरीवेयर। मतलब इन्फ्लुएंस होता ना आपका, या तो रिलेशन है या तो आपके साथ काम करते हैं एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? सो ऐसा उनके लिए ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ा, प्रोस्पेक्टिंग नहीं करनी पड़ी, सिंपल, अभी सुन कुछ अच्छा मिला है, ऐसे होते हैं ओए फ्रेंड टाइप्स, सो 6 लोगों ने साइन अप किया। बिलीव मी, वो 6 लोगों के साथ बैठ के मैं इतनी बड़ी इवेंट के बारे में बात करता था वो टाइम पे उन्होंने। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, राइट? एंड नो अपलाइन एट ऑल, राइट? नो अपलाइन एट ऑल। स्ट्रगलिंग टाइम स्टार्टेड देन। सडनली 6 के बाद से वार्म जोन में जाना शुरू किया, लोग साइन भी नहीं करते थे। And all 6 on my one side. Why? Because all 6 were knowing each other. Only Sharfun on the other side because she was not knowing anybody, right? But वो तो बैठी बॉम्बे में CEO की नौकरी लेके, तो काम ही नहीं कर रही है, तो क्या करेंगे? So my left, right both were not working. Immediate left and right. Okay? But I was working and I was not pushing them. मैं तो अपनी धुन में था कि मुझे मजा आ रहा है ये बिजनेस करके, कुछ तो रास्ता मिल रहा है, And then, after some time, I used to show my own plans, everything. किसी एक इवेंट में, सब इवेंट में जाते थे, सब ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करते थे, because we had no upline in India. We were coming from Hong Kong genealogy actually, right? Okay? And then, after that, in between, Hong Kong upline ने बोला कि there is a guy who lives in Hong Kong, who's your upline, but he's in Indian and he's coming to Mumbai. I said okay, appointment लिया, मिलने गए. Who was that? VP Dev, right? That time he was not even VC, right? मिलने गए. I'll tell you, मिलने गए उसके पास में, 2 घंटे की मीटिंग थी. What happened in that 2-hour meeting, you know that? मैं चेक करने नहीं गया था, सवाल नहीं थे मेरे पास कुछ भी, ऐसे ही मिलने चले गए थे. I was switched on, I was excited, I was doing sign-ups, right? वो 2 घंटे में I ended up using my credit card again for 5 more lakhs. अपग्रेड कर दिया, zigzag समझ में आ गया, zigzag समझ में आ गया. And I am thinking, वापस आते समय I'm excited. आज सोचो, मैं गया किसी से मिलने, 5 लाख रुपए और घिस दिए और एक्साइटेड हूं मैं. कहीं नहीं होता है ऐसा, राइट? बिकॉज वाई एग्जैक्टली आई डिड दैट? बिकॉज आई वॉज नोइंग कि करना तो है बॉस, फिर छोटा काम क्यों करना है, उतने ही एफर्ट से जब ज्यादा मिल सकता है तो. एंड आई अंडरस्टूड, राइट? एंड आई अपग्रेडेड माई स्टेक. आई बिकम 21 हेडर ऑन दैट डे, राइट? अब तो पीछे भी नहीं मुड़ सकते, करेक्ट? और घर पे जाके 2 दिन बाद बताया मैंने, because Kavita was not active that time, right? Okay? And then what happened? Then started suddenly slowing. I was planning to leave my job in January. I started in July. Okay? मैं सोचा 6 महीने में नौकरी छोड़ूंगा. अक्टूबर में they promoted me. Now country head. which means I have to travel more, which means I cannot do this business. Traveling करते रहेंगे तो right? I resigned that time only. I resigned. I said कुछ तो कर लेंगे यार. दाल रोटी के बराबर तो पैसा निकाल ही लेंगे, right? कुछ तो कर लेंगे. किसी को QVI बेच देंगे, कुछ कर लेंगे, something like that, right? As a retail. And every day after leaving my job, I used to leave home. Because I never told my parents I left my job. उनको कौन संभालेगा यार, मगजमारी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? सो आई नेवर टोल्ड देम. सुबह उठ के तैयार होकर निकल जाता था. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू माय ओल्ड ऑफिस, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस. कभी किसी से मिलने चला गया, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताया, सब इंटरेस्टेड हैं, खरीदता कोई नहीं है. सब इंटरेस्टेड होते थे, वाह वाह बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, अरे खरीदता कोई नहीं था. एंड करते 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 सडनली दैट हांगकांग गाय फ्लू डाउन टू पूना, नॉट टू सपोर्ट अस. वो अपने ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस की वजह से आया था पूना, तो मिलने आ गया. और हमको उस समय किसी ने नहीं बताया था वी सेल क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. हम फिर भी अपना वी सेल करते थे. 6 लोग जो थे ना, 6-8 लोग, चल भाई मिलते हैं. वी डिसाइडेड एवरी सैटरडे वी विल मीट. करेक्ट. सो आई वाज, वी वर डूइंग दैट, ऑल दैट ओनरशिप, कंप्लीट ओनरशिप. ओके. एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी दैट देयर इज अ इवेंट व्हिच इज हैपनिंग इन मलेशिया. यू मस्ट गो देयर, यू आर सीरियस. मतलब वो बोल रहा था तू सीरियस है भाई, तेरे को जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो खुद सीरियस नहीं था. हाँ, बिकॉज ही वाज डूइंग अ ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस, ही वाज नॉट दैट स्विच्ड ऑन. बट हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. मतलब वी वर नॉट इवन नोइंग व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ अपलाइन. ठीक है यार, ये पहले आया, अच्छा बंदा है, दोस्ती हो गई, तो बता रहा है उसको कुछ ज्यादा पता हमसे. तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं यू आर माई अपलाइन, माई लाइफ इज इन योर हैंड. आजकल तो लोग गले पे चढ़ जाते हैं, राइट? क्यों? तुम्हारी जिंदगी तुम्हारे हाथ में है, किसी और के हाथ में नहीं है. करेक्ट. सो देन he said you have to go to Malaysia. I said Malaysia, I don't have a passport. I never had a passport. 30 साल की उम्र में मेरे पास पासपोर्ट भी नहीं था. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था, कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. सो व्हाट टू डू? अब पासपोर्ट, मैंने कहा चलो. ही सेड ब्रो इफ यू गो देयर एंड इफ यू फील इट वाज नॉट वर्थ, आई विल रिफंड योर मनी, फ्लाइट मनी एंड ऑल दैट. मैंने कहा ये रिफंड क्यों कर रहा है, इसको तो कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है, पक्का कुछ तो होगा. मैंने कहा मैं जा रहा हूं, आई एम गोइंग. हाउ आई डोंट नो, बट डिसीजन वाज टेकिंग, आई एम गोइंग. एंड देन नो लुकिंग बैक. आई सेड ओके, 3 महीने हैं, काम करेंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे, पासपोर्ट अप्लाई करेंगे, एंड देन जाएंगे. पासपोर्ट अप्लाई किया, ट्राई किया पैसे कमाने का, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. हर रोज जाके कुछ बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. बट दिमाग में डाउट नहीं है जा रहे हैं कि नहीं जा रहे हैं. करेक्ट. किसी डाउनलाइन के क्रेडिट कार्ड पे टिकट बुक हो गई, 50 दिन बाद आएगा ना पेमेंट, तो ओके. सो व्हाट टू डू? हर रोज वो पूछ रहा भाई सुनो वो बिल आने वाला, मैं सुनना, मेरे को याद मत दिला, मेरे को याद है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू, राइट? सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स, राइट? एंड देन सडनली एक दिन मेरे अकाउंट में 4 लाख रुपए आ गए. कहां से आए पता नहीं. मैंने 100 रुपए निकालने के लिए कार्ड डाला, 4 लाख रुपए. बाद में पता लगा मैंने नौकरी छोड़ी थी तो पीएफ का पैसा जो 1 साल बाद आता 3 महीने में आ गया. बिकॉज इट वॉज अ सीक्रेट, इट वॉज अ सीक्रेट. बिकॉज आई वॉज, मैं तो जा तो रहा हूं, मैं कैसे मेरे को नहीं पता. द मोमेंट दैट मनी केम इन, आई पेड हिज क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल, आई बुक्ड माई वीक ऑन टिकट एंड एवरीथिंग एक्चुअली, राइट? बट पासपोर्ट स्टिल नॉट देयर. Passport still not there. You know, I got my passport exactly 24 hours before my flight. That to be in Pune. And I have to apply for Malaysia visa, which is in Bombay actually, right? You know? And people are telling, कोई फायदा नहीं है, आप फ्लाइट पोस्टपोन कर दो एक दिन, नहीं मिलेगा आपको. लॉजिकल. जो बड़े ट्रैवल करते हैं ना धुरंधर लोग, वो बता रहे हैं, उनको बहुत पता था ना. खलीफा खड़ा करेंगे एक्चुअली, राइट? So that was the mindset actually, right? So we never stopped. I was maxing out and I had no time to look at money. Why? Because we were not working to max out. We were working to build a legacy. It was very, very clear actually, right? Okay? But no doubt for that 1.5 year, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, लोगों को कुछ मिल जाता है बिना स्ट्रगल के, फिर जब नीचे गिरते हैं फिर डाउट आना शुरू हो जाता है, राइट? Are you getting me? So सबसे पहले चेक करो, सबसे पहले चेक करो हाईलाइट जोन. यू नो द वेलकम में मैं बोलता हूं ना, हाईलाइट वो किसी ने बताया नहीं है, वो खुद की जिंदगी थी, इसके लिए वेलकम में डाला है वो. आर यू लिविंग इन हाईलाइट्स और नॉट? आर यू लिविंग? हाउ मेनी पीपल लिविंग इन हाईलाइट्स? ऐसी हाथ मत उठाते हैं. 24 आवर्स हाईलाइट्स में कौन जी रहा है? मतलब यू आर इन डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. ये तो हो गया बॉस, मुझे पता है, इनके साथ हो गया, इनके साथ हो गया, इनके साथ हो गया, तो सबके साथ होगा, राइट? They also went through all the struggles, so we are also going. It's okay, right? But doubt. Because when you talk to a person, it is not important where you are physically. It is more important where you are mentally while talking to that person actually, right? Because that person can feel that, right? You're getting me? So, first year, life okay. Next year, better, right? All the time, right? Okay? And when I look back this journey, I felt that there are few things, after looking at my last 10-year journey, I think this business is about building a character. एक पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर होता है, वो जब तक वो कैरेक्टर नहीं बनते हो ना आप, तब तक you cannot handle the success or team or anything actually, right? And all these challenges which come, mental challenge, physical challenge, money challenge, this, that, rejection, all these challenges are nothing but your testing point actually, right? ऊपर वाला आपको टेस्ट देता है. फेल हो गए कोई बात नहीं, वो जिंदगी में फेल नहीं करेगा आपको, उस टाइम पे फेल कर देगा. अगली बार पास हो जाओ, वो आगे पास कर देगा. Are you getting me? So when you are not getting a result, it is an indication from God that you are not doing everything right enough number of times actually, right? Because when you start doing enough, He will start giving more than enough actually, right? So वो character जो है, when I'm talking about what is that character which is required? This business, many people, I'm talking to everyone, not just you guys, I'm talking to in-service, I'm talking to everyone who makes a lot of money also, right? सबके लिए. ये business जो है ना, this is like ocean. आप कितना निकाल सकते हो उसमें से, आपके हाथ में. कोई आता है चम्मच लेके, चम्मच भर पानी लेके चला जाता है. कोई आता है लोटा लेके, कोई आता बाल्टी लेके, कोई आता ड्रम लेके, करेक्ट? कोई आता गैलन लेके, राइट? ओके? व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड दिस इज अ ओशन, मैंने बोला इसकी मां की, मैं पूरा पाइपलाइन बिछाऊंगा यहां से वहां पूरा, राइट? सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज, आर यू हियर? चम्मच लेके आए थोड़ा, $20,000 a month चम्मच है वो, करेक्ट? बाल्टी लेके आए, मे बी $10,000 a week, मैक्स आउट. ओ आई मैक्स आउट में घंटा कुछ नहीं है. Are you getting me? कुछ नहीं है मैक्स आउट, राइट? I'm telling you, it is nothing actually, right? So today, I think there are people who earn $4,000-5,000 a week. I think they are more in comfort zone than me actually, right? Maybe भी उनको समझा नहीं है, उनको लगता बस इतना ही निकाल सकते हैं कुएं में से, right? समुंदर में से. Are you getting me? And believe me, that is the time when you start falling down. So I was talking to first people who are new. पहले तो doubt check करो अपना, right? Then work ethics check karo apna. All everyone, you know, VP Dev spoke about faith and belief, then Brijesh spoke about work ethics, then Wimps and Warrior, everything, right? Correct? All these things. ये क्या है actually में? ये सारी चीज क्या है? This is nothing but traits, you know? ये सारे traits चाहिए हमारे character के अंदर, right? Correct? And when you don't leave the business, and when you don't create a doubt, eventually कोई 4 साल में, कोई 5 साल में, कोई 10 साल में, करेक्ट, वो कैरेक्टर बन जाता है वैसा. हाउ डज इट मैटर? आप 4 साल में वो कैरेक्टर बने हो या 10 साल में कैरेक्टर बने हो, कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? फर्क पड़ता है क्या? हाँ, नवाज वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट 30 साल लगे चाहे 20 साल लगे, करेक्ट. आर यू हियर फॉर प्रसिद्धि और सिद्धि? जब वो कैरेक्टर बनता है ना तो सिद्धि मिल जाती है, राइट? You know, so this business is about building that character actually, right? Net. And whatever you go through, it contributes, every hardship you go through, it contributes in building that character. If you face those things by counseling with your upline and change yourself, and then eventually you become a character who can handle everything actually, right? Correct? So character में क्या क्या चाहिए होता है? You know, what is that character actually, right? And when you become that character, okay, when you become that character, you don't have to lead. You don't have to lead. People follow automatically, right? Are you getting me? Because by becoming that character, you inspire them, you do not motivate them. Motivation can be washed with a shower, but inspiration cannot be, right? Correct? And you don't lead, people follow. They get led automatically, right? And that's why, you know, this year, week on, and every year theme is, what is the theme? Lead to inspire. Not just lead to make money. Okay? And that's what exactly has become inspiration, right? And when you become that character, not only this business, उसके जहां हाथ डालते हो ना, बहुत सारा पैसा निकलता है वहां से. Do you want to earn only here? You want to earn only here? मैं बताऊं एक चीज. If you build that character here, after that, assumption, इस बिजनेस को साइड में करो, जहां जाके जो बिजनेस करोगे ना वहां सक्सीड होगा, सक्सेस मिलेगी, राइट? Because you become an entrepreneur. You become like a Dhirubhai Ambani. You become like a Mark Zuckerberg. You become like a Jack Ma. और उनमें क्या सिमिलैरिटी बताओ मुझे? It's only the qualities. Quality मतलब skills नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. The character. Correct? And what are those things which are required to build that character? You know, number one, सबसे पहले तो C for character, right? So I will tell you 5 C's which should be there in that character, right? तब वो पूरा C complete होता है. Number one is basically you need to know that we have a cup. I'm not talking about emptying the cup. I'm talking about the cup first. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि कप है यहाँ पे, right? बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है. You know, फनी चीजें होती हैं. कोई इंसान मिलता है जो पूरा जिसका कप फुल होता है, राइट? नो, मेरे को ऐसे भी इंसान मिले हैं जिनका कप कभी फुल नहीं होता है, बट उल्टा पड़ा होता है, कुछ डाल ही नहीं सकते उसके अंदर, उल्टा पड़ा होता है, राइट? सो पहले तो अंडरस्टैंड यू हैव अ कप, वेदर यू आर न्यू पर्सन और यू आर अ ओल्ड पर्सन, राइट? यू हैव अ कप, विच मीन्स यहां पे एक कप है जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो कभी वो सारी चीजें काम की नहीं है. यू नो, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वेदर यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग or you are succeeding, you are earning 10,000 a week or 5,000 a week or 2,000 a week or 200 a week, right? You have to first understand, even if you are earning 30,000 a week also, right? First you have to understand, I don't know what I don't know. I don't know what I don't know, right? True or not? Correct? और जिंदगी भी बहुत बाकी है और बहुत आगे जाना, राइट? द मोमेंट अ पर्सन फील दैट आई एम अराइव्ड, मतलब दैट आई डोंट नो, दैट थॉट इज गॉन, राइट? यू गेटिंग मी? सो पहले तो कॉन्शियस होना उस चीज को लेके। सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है हमारी लाइफ में? मैंने बोला डाउट कहां से आता है? यहां से आता ना। सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है हमारे खुद के थॉट्स, आवर ओन थॉट्स। ट्रू? सो वो कब से निकल रहे ना? सो वी हैव टू बी कॉन्शियस एंड करेक्ट दोज थॉट्स, बिकॉज एवरी थॉट्स ट्रांसमिट अ सिग्नल टू यूनिवर्स and it gives you back the same thing actually, right? Every thought, right? Now how to do that? Is it easy? It is not easy, it is not difficult. It only requires a decision and a discipline to correct the thought. कोई भी चीज हैबिट से करो तो ठीक हो जाती है। करेक्ट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक बैट्समैन है जिसको आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप की बॉल को उंगली करने की आदत है और हर बार वो कॉट बिहाइंड होता है, तो प्रैक्टिस से ठीक हो सकता है ना। वो कॉन्शियस रहेगा मुझे टच नहीं करना बाहर की बॉल, राइट? ट्रू? सो पहले तो एंड व्हेन यू ट्राई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट कप यू आर, आप किस टाइप का कप हो, पहले ये तो समझ लो। अलग अलग टाइप के कप होते हैं। ट्रू? Who you are. And for that, थोड़ा सा calm down, reflect करो। So first is that character. वो overnight नहीं होगा, eventually होगा, right? But first is that character, no matter whether that person earns $5 million a year or $500 a year, right? But his cup is still same, right? He's still conscious about the fact that I don't know what I don't know, right? So that is first. Second things in that character which is required. आप check कर लो किसी को भी, जितने भी successful लोग हैं, whether it is Dhirubhai Ambani or it is anybody, this quality will be there in them, right? Correct? They will not be over smart. They will be confident but not over smart, right? Are you getting me? That is one. Second quality, which will be there in all successful people, which we need here, which is a character number 2. The quality number 2 in that character is you need to have a compelling reason. Compelling reason, Reason बोलते ना, why? Why तो सबके पास में है. But is it compelling enough? रोज पीछे पिछवाड़े में लात पड़ती है उसकी रीजन की तरफ से, राइट? बाहर निकल के काम करने के लिए. Ask yourself. If you feel some people say, हाँ but रीजन तो स्ट्रांग है, बट वो कभी कभी लेजीनेस आती है. इसका मतलब रीजन स्ट्रांग नहीं है बॉस. Reason is not compelling enough. And I'm not talking about reason when you're starting the business only. At any point of time, whether you are earning $500 or $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 or $100,000 a week also, you need to have a compelling reason to move forward every stage of life actually, right? Otherwise you start moving backward, right? And compelling reason is not a dream. एक दिन मैं इतना बड़ा आदमी बनूंगा. No. Compelling reason is your short-term goal who does not let you sleep. 3 months from now, 3 months from now, 2 months from now, 5 months from now, 1 year from now, right? That's short-term dream, right? Short-term goal. And it should be so compelling that it should not let you sleep or be lazy, right? But होता क्या है, लोग आते हैं एक रीजन लेके, बड़ा सा रीजन होगा 10 साल बाद पूरा करने वाला. करेक्ट? वो तो रीजन है बहुत बड़ा. बट आज 3 महीने बाद क्या करना है, that will push you every day ना. वो है भी तो विशुअल थॉट है, नॉट अ कंपेलिंग रीजन. आई विश आई कैन गेट दिस, आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर दिस, राइट. मतलब वो नींद खराब नहीं कर रहा है वो, राइट. करेक्ट. When I started the business, I never started business to max out. I never started business to earn millions. I never started business to, when I was working in the beginning, right? And now also, right? Initially, my goal was, I need to leave a job. Next goal, I need to survive without a job. Next goal, I need to change my car. Next goal, I need to change my house. Next goal, I need to change my wardrobe. Next goal, I want to start flying business class. Next goal, I need to, this, every time. And now also, I have a goal for next 1 year. It's not the ultimate thing, right? किसने देखा कितने दिन जियोगे, right? अभी का गोल पूरा करो ना. Now ask yourself, do you have a goal today जो 3 महीने में अगले पूरा करना है? और वो ऐसा नहीं है, हाँ मेरा गोल है. मतलब अगर वो नहीं होगा ना, तो आपके अंदर आग लग जानी चाहिए एक्चुअली, राइट. इट इज नॉट टू शो ऑफ टू एनीबडी. अंदर से you should feel like, I will die if it is not going to happen, right? Now people come to earn millions, people come to earn, max out this, that. That happens automatically eventually. But short term. Where is the next 3 months goal? So compelling reason. Do you think, एक बात बताओ, मार्क जुकरबर्ग के पास में रीजन होगा अभी भी? अगला कोई गोल होगा कि नहीं होगा उसके पास में? क्या हो गया, बस फेसबुक बन गया, अब वो चिल मार रहा, राइट? होगा कुछ? करेक्ट. इसके लिए अगला गोल था, इसके लिए उसने इंस्टाग्राम खरीदा. अक्ल है उसके अंदर, राइट? उसको पता था ये कभी भी जाएगा. You getting me? So understand, compelling reason at any point of time. It is not like, oh, at one point of time I was Sapphire. I want to become Sapphire again. That is my goal. अबे Sapphire तो सब बोलने की बातें हैं. क्या करोगे उस पैसे से? Are you getting me? क्या करोगे उस पैसे से? What are you going to do? I know exactly, I need, in next 2 years' time, I need at least 23 million dirhams, which is equal to how many dollars? Round about $7 million. I need $7 million savings in next 2 years, and I know why I need it, and without that I will not be at peace. So I'm not, it can be $7 million, it can be $7,000, it can be $70,000. The amount does not matter. What matters is how badly you want it and do you have a goal or not, right? That is called compelling reason, right? So do we have that compelling reason? Otherwise क्या होगा? हम आ गए खेलते खेलते, जैसे ऑफिस जाते हैं ना, शाम को पगार मिल जाएगी 30 दिन के बाद में, right? This business, believe me, I don't know how much blessed you feel. I feel we are blessed to have this business, साला जो प्लान कर सकते हो ना, जितना बड़ा सोच सकते हो, जितने बड़े सपने दे सकते हो, राइट, उतना बड़ा ये बिजनेस हो सकता है तुम्हारे लिए, राइट? I will tell you here why exactly I want that amount, right? I have something going on in my mind. People, when we came in this business, I didn't even had a dream to earn $1 million, right? पता भी नहीं था कितने जीरो होते मिलियन में, correct? I didn't even had a dream to earn $1 million, correct? But धीरे धीरे lifestyle ऊपर आई, सब कुछ आया. Do you know what exactly is my goal now? In next 2 years, I want to have $1 million every year without QNet. तो QNet से जो पैसा कमाया है ना, वो सब खर्चा करके, अच्छी गाड़ी, अच्छा घर, ये सब खर्चा करने के बाद में इतना बचना चाहिए कि साला उसका इंटरेस्ट $1 million आया एक्चुअली, राइट? And that's what exactly. And that is when exactly you are moving to a I quadrant. That's when you are going to ESBI actually, right? You know. So people think you go to America and all, right? If you earn $1 million in lifetime, they feel, wow, you are a millionaire, right? You know, when I look at my life, and if I feel that $1 million in life, we will be poor. It is scary thought, you know. It is scary, you know. So please understand this business. So don't become complacent if you start growing, you know. जब रॉकेट उड़ता है ना, तो इंजन बंद नहीं करने का. Are you getting me? You know, I know it takes time to go up, but when it start going up, suddenly people, okay, बंद कर देते हैं, right? अभी तो आने लगा, right? That time speed बढ़ा देने की, you know, because you don't know where you can go, right? Okay? Don't look at people around you when you start making money. Don't look at people around you. They will make you feel complacent, right? They will make you feel complacent. So when you start making money, start spending time with people who are bigger than you so that you still feel poor actually, right? And that's when you will take out the best potential. You know, अपने अंदर का best निकालेंगे, right? Because we don't even know why to earn more otherwise, right? So compelling reason at any stage of life, whether you are earning millions or hundreds, that is the fuel to move ahead actually, right? Now check yourself. First of all, do you have a short-term reason? Number one. Number two, is it compelling enough? You know? And how do you know is it compelling enough or not? How do you know? Simple. जब उसके बारे में बात करते हो ना, when you talk about that reason, first of all, how many people know around you? How many people know around you about that goal of yours? घर वालों को पता है, डाउनलाइंस को पता है, अपलाइन को पता है, पड़ोसी को पता है, हैरीज को पता है, सबको पता होना चाहिए. क्योंकि जितनी बार आप उसके बारे में बात करते हो, उतनी बार यूनिवर्स को पता लगता है, राइट? एंड इट गिव्स बैक टू यू, राइट? और उतनी बार आप खुद सुनते हो, यू नो. ऐसे कई लोग आके बोलते हैं मेरा ड्रीम है, क्या है? नहीं, वो पूरा होगा तो बताएंगे. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. मतलब आप उसके बारे में बात करने में अगर डरते हो तो अचीव करने में तो छोड़ दो. गेटिंग मी? डर लगता है अचीव नहीं हुआ तो, अबे तुम्हारे अंदर इतना तो दम था कि तुमने बोला लोगों के सामने, राइट? बाकियों में तो वो भी दम नहीं होता, राइट? यू नो, अगर कोई आदमी बोलता है ना इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं, यू नो, तो बोलना सुनना, बड़ी बातें कर नहीं सकता है, मतलब यू नो, बड़ी चीज बड़ा काम कर नहीं सकता, बड़ी बातें तो कर ले कम से कम. हाँ? And everything starts. So first is, have you told everyone? Number one. Number two, when you talk about that, कुछ चेंज होता है क्या बॉडी के अंदर जब आप उसके बारे में बात करते हो? सो किसी को गूज बम्स आते हैं, किसी को गुस्सा आता है, कोई इमोशनल होता है, कोई रोता है, कोई चीखता है, राइट? करेक्ट? वो आता है ना अंदर से. दैट्स कॉल्ड पैशन एक्चुअली, यू नो. सो इट्स and check your journey if you're 1 year, 2 year, 3 year old, right? At any point of time, आपके पास में next goal था कि नहीं था? और it was compelling reason or not, right? अगर नहीं था, तभी जर्नी ऐसे ऐसी हो रही होगी, right? आ गए, वही हॉबी की तरह करने के लिए, राइट? हॉबी में कोई गोल नहीं होता है, अच्छा लगता है इसके लिए करते हैं, राइट? Are you getting me? You know, how many people played गली क्रिकेट? गली क्रिकेट, राइट? क्यों गली तक सीमित रह गया क्रिकेट? क्योंकि कोई गोल नहीं था, हॉबी थी ना, वो अच्छा लगता था. सो डू यू वांट टू प्ले अ गली क्रिकेट? दिस इज नॉट अ गली क्रिकेट, ओके? सो लोग इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट भी खेलते हैं और गली क्रिकेट भी खेलते हैं. सेम वे ये बिजनेस में भी लोग अलग अलग तरीके से करते हैं. इट्स नथिंग बट नेक्स्ट क्या है मेरे सामने, एंड एवरी टाइम यू अचीव अ नेक्स्ट गोल, You get excited to dream for bigger one actually, right? Bigger one. और कंपेलिंग रीजन और रिलेटिव होता है. जो चीज आपके लिए कंपेलिंग इनफ हो सकता है, दूसरे के लिए विशफुल थॉट हो सकता है, राइट? जो चीज आपको बहुत पेन दे सकती है, दूसरे के लिए लाइफ हो सकती है वो, राइट? सिंपल. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो ये नहीं सोचना. कोई आदमी बोलेगा आप कितना ज्यादा, मेरी तो लाइफ ऐसी सिंपल अच्छी लगती. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम ना. ट्रू. No, it's a relative. Every goal is relative actually, right? For example, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं, I was talking to him in my room, okay, and was telling it's simple. कुछ लोग बोलते ना कि आपने ना वो कैसे 20 किलो वजन कम कर लिया 6 हफ्तों में और 7 हफ्तों में and all that, right? मैंने बोला डिसीजन था वो. नहीं, फिर क्या किया आपने? मतलब डाइट किया, एक्सरसाइज किया, दोनों किया. तो ही सेड मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मतलब मैं ना ये चीज बस नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैं ये मेरा ना मीठा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा ना ये खाने का बड़ा. मैं सुनता रहा फिर मैंने बोला तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या पता है? वेट लॉस इज नॉट योर प्राइम एजेंडा एक्चुअली इन लाइफ, राइट? दैट्स द क्रक्स, राइट? इट इज नॉट कंपेलिंग. यू लव, योर लव फॉर फूड इज मोर than your health. Simple. It's a relative thing, right? जिस दिन इधर प्यार ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, अपने आप छूट जाएगा वो, right? Some people say I am lazy now, what to do? I say you're not lazy. Your reason for not becoming lazy is not big enough for you to push out of comfort zone actually, right? Are you getting me? So compelling reason, check करो. At any point of time, it should be laser sharp focus towards that goal actually, right? You know, आज से 3 महीने के बाद क्या पता है क्या exactly हासिल करना है? कोई बोलेगा मेरे को ना 20 डियर करना है, मेरे को ना सफायर बनना है, मेरे को, अबे ये सब तो माइलस्टोन है, बट उससे अल्टीमेटली पैसा आएगा ना. उस पैसे से क्या करना है? पॉइंट इज दैट, राइट? सो डोंट रन, you know, don't run for titles and all that, right? What you will get after achieving that, that is what exactly drives you, right? और जब से शुरू किया तब से लेके अब तक कंसिस्टेंटली गोल रहे हैं क्या हमारे पास में? You know, so one is second is compelling reason. At any point of time in life, compelling reason should be there, right? Whether you are earning $100,000 a week also. Because if compelling reason is not there, that means you are slipping down. You're correct. It can be any compelling reason. Anything actually. It can be health, it can be anything. Because आप ग्रो तभी करते हो लाइफ में जब आपके पास गोल होता है. बिकॉज उस गोल को हासिल करने के लिए आप जो जो चीजों को पुश करके आगे जाते हो, दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मेक्स यू ग्रो एज अ पर्सन एक्चुअली, राइट? यू नो, कभी सुना है किसी के पास कोई गोल नहीं था, बस ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे ग्रो कर गया, बहुत बॉडी वाइज ग्रो कर गया, मेंटली ग्रो नहीं करता आदमी, राइट? कभी सुना है? यू नो, all the people who strive for hard for something, they are the one who grew in life actually, right? You know, those who are not ready to compromise, you know, so that's what. कभी सुना है कि एक सरकारी ऑफिस में एक क्लर्क था और वो बहुत ग्रो कर गया और एनलाइटनमेंट हो गया और वो बहुत बड़ा कुछ बन गया, राइट? नो ना. वो सारे लोग ही जिन्होंने कुछ बड़ा हासिल किया उस जर्नी में वो ग्रो कर गए, राइट? बट उसके लिए गोल था उनके पास में. एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर इज अ गोल, राइट? ट्रू. सो दैट गोल, सो कप कंपेलिंग रीजन. थर्ड इज, you know, third part of that character is a committed character, you know. But committed for what? Committed for your own dream, to your own life. अभी जो मैं बोल रहा था मैं कि अपलाइन, डाउनलाइन, डिपेंडेंसी, सिस्टम, भाई हमारी खुद की जिंदगी है ना. I had no upline. I was not even knowing what is upline actually, right? I was not even knowing because I never had an upline, right? तो क्या हो गया? अपने ड्रीम का कमिटमेंट खुद, we were committed to our dream, That's why we created something, na, called system. Are you getting me? So किसको जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ेगी अपनी जिंदगी की? खुद को. Commitment to your own life, committed to your own dreams. And tell me one thing, as a human being, are we committed characters? Are we committed characters as a human being? हाँ, committed है या नहीं हम? है? Correct? Because we go to office every day, come back home for 20-30 years, committed तो है ना? But हमको क्या है पता है? हमेशा या तो बम्बू लगता है पीछे या गन पॉइंट लगता है, वो तभी कमिटमेंट आता है, राइट? अदरवाइज, सो द कैरेक्टर हु इज सेल्फ कमिटेड, उसको किसी का बम्बू नहीं चाहिए, राइट? गन पॉइंट पे नहीं. दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज अ कैरेक्टर नीड टू बी बिल्ड, राइट? यू नो, एंड दैट कैरेक्टर विल बी कमिटेड everywhere actually, be it a workout, be it your health, be it anything actually, right? Committed to yourself, committed to your own dream, your own life, your own family, your own everything, right? फिर उसके बाद में अगर भी पूरे 10,000 में से एक भी नहीं खड़ा रहा यहां पे, एक आदमी आप रहे, still will you be in highlights that मैं अकेला साला खड़ा कर लूंगा or not, right? That is what exactly is to be built, right? So that is a commitment. Third and fourth quality of that character is, you know, after commitment, consistency. अभी तो क्या यहाँ ये बात कर रहे हैं ना, सब लोग डिसीजन लेंगे. Yes, my next goal is this. I am committed to my goal and everything, right? But कितने देर के लिए? कितने देर के लिए? ऊपर नीचे ऊपर 4 हफ्ते चार गोल रखे, उसके बाद फिर गोल वापस. You know, it should become a way of life. Consistency should not be an effort. It should become the just way to live actually, right? Consistent thought process, consistent action, consistent, you know, dreaming actually, right? Thought process and action both actually. Imagine suddenly हाईलाइट जोन में जी रहे हैं, फिर सडनली प्रेजेंट जोन में जी रहे हैं, राइट? कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, करेक्ट? सडनली लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, सडनली नहीं कर रहे हैं. सडनली गोल है, बट 4 हफ्ते तक ट्राई किया, फिर नहीं हुआ तो ढूस आगे से गोल रखनी बंद कर दिया. दैट कंसिस्टेंसी. चेक अगेन योरसेल्फ. ये कुछ नया नहीं बता रहा हूं मैं, ये सबको सब कुछ पता है, राइट? बट कंसिस्टेंसी, यू नो, इट्स ओके. एक बार मिस हुआ, नेक्स्ट टाइम, दैट बिकम अ कंसिस्टेंसी एक्चुअली, राइट? Okay, so consistency, and last but not least in that character is basically the consciousness. Because if you are not conscious as a leader, eventually, right, about what is happening around you and right or wrong or something, right, everything is having a consequences, right? Whether you are a political leader or you are a business leader, if you are not conscious, you will not stop things which will spoil the culture. You will not stop things, at least conscious about your own actions, right? You know, मतलब आप ज्ञान नहीं बांटोगे, कॉन्शियस रहोगे. मैं जो बात कर रहा हूं ना, वो मैं खुद करता हूं कि नहीं करता हूं पहले. That consciousness, right? Correct? And when you become conscious about everything around you, then it's a spiritual journey actually, right? You know, with a lot of money, spiritual journey can be achieved by having a lot of money also, right? Are you getting me? So this business is about building this character, right? Correct? Building, it's like building a body, right? Is it easy to build a body? When people who compete actually, right? Is it easy? Discipline लगता है उसमें, decision लगता है उसमें, consistency लगती है उसमें, correct? Challenges आते हैं उसमें, injuries होती हैं उसमें, होती है कि नहीं होती? सब कुछ होता है ना, but वो जो build होता है ना, so that's what exactly you have to build as a character. Because I'm telling you, if you build this character, understand, you cannot build, it automatically gets built, but you have to stick to it, stay on it, and understand whatever you're going through is actually helping you to grow. And when you become a person like that, it's not just this business. जहां हाथ डालोगे ना, वहां से सोना निकलेगा actually, right? So please understand. Okay? And it will, lot of issues will come. But fight मारना हमको उसके लिए, right? हर एक, every time you get knocked down, you should be standing up again, asking yourself that this is making me stronger actually, right? So every time you have to fight, but fight with what exactly, right? ये बाहर की लड़ाई नहीं है. This fight is not with someone else, right? You know, आप जो बोलते हो ना, कभी कभी बोलते हो प्रोस्पेक्ट ऐसा बोला, मीडिया ने ऐसा बोला, फिर ये लीगल का ये हुआ. वो फाइट, पता है, उनके साथ वाली फाइट बड़ी फाइट नहीं है. अंदर की फाइट जो है ना, वो सबसे बड़ी फाइट है एक्चुअली, राइट? जो हमको कंसिस्टेंट होने नहीं देती है, जो हमको ड्रीम करने नहीं देती है, जो हमको हर बार गोल सेट करने नहीं देती है, डाउट क्रिएट करती है, राइट? यू गेटिंग मी? वो इंटरनल फाइट है एक्चुअली, राइट? एंड दिस बिजनेस, व्हेन यू बिल्ड इट बिग, you learn to resolve that internal fight actually, right? After some time there's no fight, and then you are at peace. Even if there's a lot of fight outside, you are at peace inside actually, right? Because you know how to fight the battle with yourself, you know? So understand, पैसा, status, ये सब चीजें ना add on में आएंगी आगे चल के. But what you will become will be the awesome person actually, right? You know, do you want to become awesome? You know, and when you are at peace and you resolve all conflicts and fights inside you, right? What happens, you know? Then what happened? Then you carry a different energy, right? You don't need to talk then. If you're there, that energy solves a lot of things actually, right? Because you're at a good energy, right? Correct? So now, every day, when internal, Neeraj was talking about Vikram Betal, right? वो internal fight जो आती है ना, okay, every time, okay, वो fight, उसके साथ लड़के वो character के 5 points सोचना है, और उसको build करना है. These 5 things actually, right? And you will see business will automatically happen, right? Are you getting me? Okay? So it's all about that fight which is internal. Because when you try to build yourself, there's an internal you who stops, because it requires a lot of hard work. Correct? Because आपका mind को कचरे में डालना पड़ता है बार बार, right? So learn to, it's all about that fight, right? Are you getting me? Okay? So, lead to inspire. Don't just lead because you're a leader, right? Okay? And keep fighting that battle, not from outside. Outside battle बहुत आसान है. That internal battle, right? Okay? And please, चम्मच लेके मत चलो समुंदर में पानी भरने के लिए, right? Correct? मग्गा लेके मत चलो, बाल्टी लेके मत चलो, साला पाइपलाइन डालो, और not only it will help you, but it will help the entire community actually, right? Right? Okay? And I know, you know, when you learn to fight the battle inside, outside battle, ये जो बाहर जो लड़ने वाले बैठे हैं ना आपके साथ में, करेक्ट, वो चूहे के जैसे नजर आते हैं, राइट? You don't even feel like answering them. And I am telling you from here, मेरे को ना यहाँ से एक चीज बोलनी है, ओके? और ये क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ जान के, राइट? वो भूतिए है ना, वो कुछ है ना, एक बात बताता हूं, वो जो सोशल मीडिया में गाली देते हैं जब कुछ डालते हैं, यू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली गोज इन आवर माइंड? कुत्ते हैं, भौंक रहे हैं, कोई सुनता भी नहीं है उनको, राइट? ओके, पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज, कभी कभी मन करता है मेरा वो सामने आए तो उनको बोलूं, अबे तुमको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है तो बहन के टको फॉलो क्यों करते हो हमको? And you know what? I still remember there was a time when we started the business. After a few months, me, Kavita and Sharfun was talking, and there were many people who we don't know, but they were criticizing us and talking about us, right? And Sharful said, "ए तुम उसको जानते हो क्या? वो तुम्हारे बारे में ये वो बात कर रहे थे." और हम सोचते हम तो जानते भी नहीं है इनको. And Sharful said that time one thing, you know what? Boss, तुम तो celebrity बन गए हो अभी, right? Because when people don't know you and still follow you and talk bad about you, that means you're a celebrity actually, right? You know, so this business is not about fighting with them. Please. They are too small to be focusing upon actually, right? Okay? चीखते रहेंगे, चिल्लाते रहेंगे और गला खराब हो जाएगा, मर जाएंगे चिल्ला चिल्ला के, right? Okay? तो उनके साथ में बैटल नहीं है, उनके साथ में फाइट नहीं है. This is your internal fight, right? Correct? So ask yourself today that you are going to stay. You are going to build that character. Correct? And that character will build communities, will build countries actually, right? Okay? And you will keep fighting to build more characters like that, right? Thank you very much.